Today I am so excited to be sharing how I put this gift basket together for my daughter who recently graduated from college. I'm putting together a selection of some personalized gifts. I have used my Cricut Joy Extra to create some of these gifts along with some other items. Now today's video is sponsored by Cricut, so thank you to them. This video is going to be a little different. Rather than me sharing you a step-by-step tutorial on how I created all of these for my daughter, I'm going to just share a story about her and why I decided to do this for her. So she has graduated from college and she is now an early childhood educator. And let me tell you, she is doing exactly what she has been called to do. She is so gifted at working with kids and we are so very proud of her. In the past, she has graduated from, of course, elementary school, middle school, and high school. And I'll have to say, none of her graduations have really been the best. In elementary school, when she had graduated, there was a teacher strike, so they didn't do anything for the kids. In middle school, honestly, it was pretty mediocre. The parents weren't even notified that there was anything special being done for the students. And then when she graduated from high school, well, she graduated the year of 2021. She is the COVID class of 2021. And while she has graduated from college and it has gone so much better, unfortunately, her dad couldn't make it due to some poor scheduling due to the college admin. So her dad couldn't make it to that, but we did make the best for it. And like I said, I wanted to do this special gift for her, gift basket for her, where I customized so many things. So as you saw, I made some stickers and now I'm making this sign. And she loves the show Parks and Rec. And there is some scenes where they do a fun shopping spree, a couple of the characters, and they call it Treat Yourself. And I thought this was a fun play on words where it says treat yourself. She is an avid book reader and I thought this would be perfect for her bookshelf. So I'm creating this customized sign for her to use. I covered it with some book pages because I thought that would be perfect for her bookshelf. And then I'm going to be using this vinyl that I cut out where I customized this design over on Cricut Design Space. Now, previously you saw me doing some stickers as well. She loves stickers and I customized all those sticker selections for her as well. If you are at all interested in any of the products that I'm using, I will have some links for you down in the description box. And I will also have links to the different projects that I have made for her as well. Another thing that she loves is candles. So I'm making a candle for her and it's a customized candle. All I did was melt some wax down and filled a beautiful ceramic pot for her that had that cozy fall vibe to it. Everything that I'm creating for her has a cozy feel to it, which is perfect for this season. And again, like I mentioned, everything is customized to her liking. She likes the smell of vanilla, again, another cozy scent. She loves to burn candles. She finds it so comforting, and I really wanted to do something like this for her. It's so nice to be able to create a customized gift basket for a loved one. And I hope this video gives you some ideas on how you can do that. I'm just going to finish up pouring this candle and I let it sit overnight to make sure that it fully cured before I snip the wick. Creating your own personalized candles is so easy. Now I'm designing a personalized notebook for her using some iron-on vinyl that's going to go onto the cover of this notebook. It's actually a sketchbook, but she can use it as a notebook. It's got blank pages, so she can do anything that she would like to it. And the beauty of this particular notebook is that the pages are removable, so if she wants to get rid of anything, she can. This is a great way to personalize any item, especially fabric items. Now, the cover of this is not fabric, but it still works really, really well. So you can just design anything you'd like in Cricut Design Space and use this printable vinyl as an iron-on. It's great, and it's actually so much fun to use. I love using this stuff. I've used it a few times, and you can see how easy that was. Now, I am going to be sealing this up because I don't want the oils from her fingers wrecking the decal, and then I don't want it to accidentally like get scratched or anything. So I thought I would just protect it. So again, as I mentioned before, she loves to read books. I'm creating some bookmarks for her. I just end up creating one in the end, and that way here she can, when she's reading her favorite books, she can save her spot in her book. And these were so easy to make. It's just paper and vinyl with a beautiful leaf pattern. She loves anything to do with nature and plants, so I thought this was perfect for her, and she really does love it. I have to say, I absolutely love my Cricut Joy Extra. It is definitely a machine I recommend, and you can use it to create so many different things. And the best part is that it's actually a nice small compact machine too, so it fits in any space. So now I'm just gonna assemble all the pieces for the bookmark. And the other thing that's great about this is that it's green, and she absolutely loves green as well. So I really had fun creating all these gifts for her, and I thought it would be great because then she can just sit down and enjoy these anytime. I hope she knows how much she is loved and appreciated and how proud we are of all her achievements. I'm going to add a little touch of some lace to this just to make it a little bit more pretty, and also gives her a little tab to use within her book. So here are all the items I'm going to include in her basket. I've got the bookmark with the sign and this customized candle. She loves to go thrifting, so I picked her up a thrifted mug and some tea to go with that. Her customized stickers, and of course chocolate. Any girl loves chocolate. And a notebook for her to use. I'm just going to add a pen to the notebook, so then she is all ready to go to start making notes. She can take that notebook with her to church, or she can make notes about any of the books that she's reading. She can start to write about all the different collections that she has, and then of course the bookmark can just tuck inside there. I'm going to start to assemble the basket here. Now I am using some paper shred. Believe it or not, I got this basket from Michael's for $4, and I knew she would like it. She can use it for anything. That's the beauty of, again, of using a basket, is that the container can be used, or the basket can be used for anything afterwards. So I'm just going to put it all together here, and I'm going to share her reaction with you. She was really tired this day. She's been tired all week because it's been a stressful time, as it's the beginning of the school year, and she just started her new job as lead for the preschool age, and she's having fun, but it is definitely challenging, as it is any new job is. So I think she will really enjoy all of these gifts, and hopefully they will help her to relax. Okay, here you go.
Thanks.
It's a surprise.
Ooh, Spice Dragon red tie. Ooh, I like this mug.
I know. You have to check out where it's from. I got it at your store.
And that's from Joanna Gaines, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and some stickers.
Special ones just for you. They're all different types.
Oh, I see some books. And a candle. A candle.
It smells good.
It smells like vanilla.
It
And I
is
love
vanilla.
this. And chocolate. Oh, look at that. Oh. Anna Gables, Emma. Nice. You're so... I like that.
I designed that.
I like Oh, I like the bookmark.
It's pretty, huh?
It reminds me of like almost like Fernie's.
Oh, yeah. Fernie's, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. So I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can customize a gift basket for a loved one. Again, all links will be down below for you. Thank you to Cricut again for sponsoring today's video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.